So, hi guys! Katatapos ko lang dito sa last schedule ko for today. Today is Sunday guys and it's already 6, let me check the time. It's already 6:47 p.m. And before we go, we say bye-bye to our beloved cat here. Oh, see? Hello? See? His name is Wonjo. What is your name? Wonjo. Say hi. Ay. Ayan, hindi talaga siya. Ayaw niya mapakita sa camera. Charot-charot lang. So guys, we're going na. Ayan. Plano ko sanang pumunta kay Ate Pora, but it's already, I think, for me, parang late na or gabi na. So, hindi na lang. So, I decided to going to Ayala, Manila Bay. It's a few step away here naman from Bisher. So, see you there guys. Dadalhin ko kayo dun. And yeah, this is my last schedule for today. Bye-bye. Si bye-bye. Bye-bye. May ipapasilip muna ako sa inyo guys. Ito pala yung parang ba to kay Wonjo. Yung sa pusa. Ayan siya Tapos ayun. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko pa siya nakita na umakyat-akyat siya dyan. Ayan. Ang haba. I don't know. Laruan ata niya. Si Wonjo, bye-bye. See you next time. Wonjo, bye. Bye. Nandiyan siya. Sure. Tingnan ko lang siya dito. Oh. Ayun, pa pala doon. Diyan ako gawin. Ito yung Okada. May 7-Eleven sila dito. Mga pusa dito. Malamit lang dito yung Okada guys. Ala, nabuang na. Nanunod ang mga iring. Uy, ano ni sunod man mo? Color this building here. Well, I'm going to Ayala now. Just walking, only walking. Mag-hike ako guys. Nasa unahan lang naman. It's a few minutes away lang. So, ayan. It's really the Okada. Ayan. Ito yung view ng Okada paggabi. Very nice. So, ayan guys. I'm going to Ayala right now. I'm just walking, going to Ayala, Manila Bay. And I'm as usual sana all. Ganun ba? Mag-English ba, oy? So, I'm wearing my mask. Yan lang. Lakad-lakad tayo papuntang Ayala. So, see you there, guys. See you there. Yan, ang ganda ng building na to. Ay, bago to. Grand West Side Hotel. Ayan. Shoota! Yung laki ng solar